Hello and welcome to Michelle's videos. So today I'm going to look at, let me share my screen. I'm going to look at the differences between percentage of, percentage off, reverse percentage and percentage change. Now, it's very common for learners to ask, what method do I use for different types of sums? That's where I get confused because they all look the same. Well, what you've got to do is just think about sort of keywords and the meanings of them. Okay, so I've got some scenarios here and hopefully it will give a little bit of an explanation. So I've got one here, I've got one here, and I've got one at the bottom. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll go through each one and hopefully it will give you an idea. So here we've got a man wants to find 35% of 540. Well, that's okay. Of, so it's not off. There's no word of change here. It's quite simply that of that. Okay, it's not reverse because we know what it is right now. Okay, so we can say that that is 35% of 540. So 10% is 54 plus 54 plus 54 plus 27. 10%, 10%, 10%. Remember how we find 10% just by jumping. And then if 10% is 54, well, 5% is 27. So 10, 20, 30, 35% equals 189. So that one's not too bad, okay, of. Now, the next one, a woman wants to know what is 35% discount. Discount, what does that mean? That must be an important word. Of 540 would be, excuse me, discount means off. Okay, off, to take off. So we're going to find 35% of 540, just what we did last time, but we're going to take it off. So we've got 540. We know what 35% is because we did it on the first one, 189. And we're going to take it off. 0, take 9, you can't do. Borrow 1, put it on there. 10 take away 9 is 1. Put my decimal. 3 take away 8, you cannot do. Common error here is people go 8 take away 3. No, start from the top, go down. 3 take away 8, can't do, so borrow 1. And we've got 13 now. So 13 take away 8 leaves us 5. And 4 take away 1 leaves us a 3. So I looked for the important word. If that was increase or a bonus, anything that gets added on, increase is added on, I would have added the 189 to the 540. So look for your important words. The next one, a man wants to know the original, that's got to be important, the original price of a coat with 35% discount, so that must be off. You've got to take something off something. Already taken off, it's telling me there. the coat, which is now worth 120. If you want to look at a previous video on reverse percentage, and you're not sure how the calculation works, please have a look at it. So we start with the 120. It's always divide, always, no matter what. Now, as we know, percentage is out of 100 or out of 1. 1, yeah, which is 100. One pizza is 100% of a pizza. So what am I going to do? What am I going to take off? I'm not going to take the 120 off. So it must be the 35%. It's the only two figures I've got. So I'm going to take 35% off 1, which is going to leave me 0.65% or 0.65. Yeah, 0.65. Let me just show you how that works, just as a quick reminder. 1.00. 35% as a decimal is 0.35. Take that off. 0 minus 5 you can't do. I can't borrow from there, so I've got to borrow from there. Put it there. Carry on borrowing. And now we've got it. 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. My decimal. And 0 take away 0 is nothing. 0.65. So 0.65 equals, going to use a calculator. It would be in a calculator paper more than likely. Divide by 0.65 equals 184. Right, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 digits here, but I'm working in pounds and pence, so I only need 2 digits at the end. So it's 62p. So again, I looked for keywords, original price. What was the price before? Now, please check your answer, okay? Check your answer makes common, I'm going to say common sense, okay? Let's have a look. A man wants to know the original price of a coat with 35% discount already taken off. So that's at a reduced price. So your answer must be higher. Okay, it must be higher. So if you've done this wrong and you end up with a lower answer, then start again. This must be higher if it's a discount. If it isn't an increase before, then this would be lower. Okay? Right, let's have a look at the last one. A woman scored 20 on a test on Monday and 18 on a test on Tuesday. There's 2 tests there and they've changed. They've changed. Change, percentage change. So this one's quite easy to recognize because it actually tells you what the calculation wants you to do. Percentage change. Remember what percentage change is? It's the difference divided by the original times by the old percentage again, 100. Therefore, 20 take away 18. That gives us the difference between 20 and 18, and it's 2. The original, well, she scored 20 on Monday and 18 on Tuesday. So the original was 20. That was the first one, the original. So 20 times by 100 equals 10%. So 10% change. So I think what it is just getting used to these type of questions and what you need to do when. Okay. What I would suggest is that you look at Corbett Maths, MathSpot, and decide. You could put in MathSpot on question generator. Let me show you. Let me show you. So what you could do is put in MathSpot. MathSpot. It's free, so don't worry. And you can do now. There's loads you can do, you know. Principles. I'm looking for puzzles. Question generators, always a good one. Okay. Starters and drills, tools. Yeah. So question generators, I think we'll go to. Let's differentiate questions so you can go lower or higher. So let's have a look. Let's close that. We don't want that. And it's your topic here. So you can click on that, look for percentage. And here you've got percentage change, percentage increase, decrease of amount, of one amount to another, repeated change, reverse. So you could have a look at all these types of different percentage questions. Yeah. And you can make them easy. Yeah, we'll keep that. Difficulty, sorry, here it is. Maximum difficulty. Ooh, 10. Okay. Minimal difficulty, let's go at least 2. And it will create your questions for you. I haven't put that in, have I? Main menu, I don't want random. Let's pick one of them percentages. Percentage change. There we go. Right, okay. Create questions. An amount was decreased by 25 to 10. Work out the percentage decrease. So there's your original, and it got decreased to 10. An amount was increased from 40 to 53. Amount was decreased from 100 to 78. And then you can change it by going back to the main menu, and you could change it to percentage increase and decrease. Let's have a look at a couple. Decrease 14 by 20. Nice and easy. So that might be an idea just to get you practicing that. Okay. All right then. So take care, and I'll see you all soon. Okay. Bye.